You will never get anywhere unless you know where you are going. That means a life without purpose is totally useless. Here I give you a chance to think about the purpose of your life or to revise the biggest goal of your life. But before this, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated. Hey, I'm back. Hope you thought about your goal that you have set for 1 year, or you want to achieve something. That's a perfect plan, because a life without goal is like a journey without destination. Sometimes failure in life keep us away from our goal, but never underestimate your abilities and keep that fire on that leads you towards your goal. Clarity of purpose challenges you to do better, and it makes your destination clear. There should be short-term goals, long-term goals, personal goals, business goals, career goals, health goals, financial goals, and vacation goals. Believe me, you can't afford a single day without goal. So how can you spend the whole life? Set your goal to grow more and faster. Start this practice with small goals, which are like milestones of life. Review your life for a while, and if you find previous years without goal, then you can easily check the worth of my words. Goal setting provides us opportunity to grow better. Goal needs time, energy, concentration, determination, and sacrifices. Dream big and work hard to achieve. Don't be afraid from failures. Let me give you some optimum approaches towards a life that will help you to set goals. Number 1 is concentration. The major problem of this generation is that they are surrounded in so many attractive interests, lines, and ideas. They want to do the things all together, which is impossible. Make sure you have to pick up one of the ideas and concentrate on it with full planning and energy. Concentration may need sacrifices of your time and other irrelevant interests, but believe me, this strategy will be fruitful soon. Number 2, contribution. It means try to be productive and creative in your work. Be determined to give your 100%. Be supportive for your organization. Now, one of the important points is that your goal should not be disturbing or discouraging for others. For example, if you are planned to lose weight, then the whole family is in trouble because you are giving lectures to them. Remember, goal setting is important and beneficial for you, so it should not be annoying for others. Number 3 is failures. Most of us find shortcut because hardships and failures are nightmares. It means you don't trust or underestimate your abilities. That brings your energy level down and you give up. You fall back and no one is there to support you. So my dear viewers, don't fall back and waste your time. To move in right direction, your life needs goal setting. To accomplish your goal, you need consistency and positivity of mind. If you like the video, share with others and drop your comments below to keep me more energetic. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.